Hey there, green thumbs! Ready to mulch around and find out? Let's kick things off with a little inspiration from the good book. The earth is the Lord's and everything in it. Psalm 24:1. Even the weeds, unfortunately. And remember, to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Or at least to believe that the squirrels won't dig up your hard work. Now let's talk about something that can make your garden not just survive, but thrive. And no, it's not a magic spell. Today, we're diving into the world of mulching. No, not munching, mulching. First things first, what exactly is mulching? Spoiler alert, it's not a new dance move. Simply put, mulching involves covering the soil with a layer of material. Think of it as tucking your garden in for a cozy nap. This can be anything from organic matter like leaves, straw, and wood chips, to inorganic options like plastic and rubber. Yes, even your garden can go green or go home. Now, why is this important? Besides making your garden look like it's ready for a magazine cover, mulching comes with a whole bunch of benefits that can transform your garden into a vibrant paradise. Let's explore how. Number 1, mulching helps retain moisture in the soil. It's like giving your garden a big, refreshing drink. Imagine this. It's a scorching summer day and your plants are thirsting for water. They're basically doing the plant version of a rain dance. Mulch acts like a protective blanket, reducing evaporation and keeping the soil cool and hydrated. It's like SPF for your soil. This means less frequent watering and happier plants. And who doesn't want happy plants? Number 2, mulching improves soil health. It's like a spa day for your dirt. When organic mulch decomposes, it adds essential nutrients back into the soil. It's like compost, but make it fashion. Think of it as nature's way of feeding your plants. Bon appetit, garden. This leads to richer, more fertile soil that supports robust plant growth. Number 3, weed control. Because nobody invited those party crashers. We all know how pesky weeds can be. They're like the uninvited guests at your garden party. Mulching creates a barrier that suppresses weed growth by blocking sunlight. It's like putting up a no-entry sign for weeds. Less weeding means more time for you to enjoy your beautiful garden, or to binge-watch gardening shows. Number 4, mulching prevents soil erosion, because nobody likes a garden that's slipping away. Heavy rains can wash away topsoil, which is crucial for plant health. It's like your garden's foundation getting a free ride downstream. Mulch acts as a protective layer, reducing the impact of raindrops and keeping the soil in place. It's like a raincoat for your garden. And lastly, number 5, mulching enhances your garden's appearance. Because who doesn't want a garden that's Instagram ready? A well-mulched garden looks tidy and well cared for. It's like giving your garden a fresh haircut. Whether you choose colorful bark or natural straw, mulch adds a beautiful finishing touch to your garden beds. It's like accessorizing with nature. But remember, not all mulch is created equal. Some are the VIPs of the garden world. Organic mulches like compost, leaves, and grass clippings are fantastic because they enrich the soil as they break down. It's like a buffet for your plants. Inorganic mulches like gravel or black plastic might last longer but won't provide those extra nutrients. They're like the garden's version of fast food. So next time you're out in the garden, consider giving your plants the gift of mulch. It's the gift that keeps on giving. It's an easy, effective way to boost your garden's health and beauty. Happy gardening, and may your thumbs always be green. Got any mulching tips or success stories? Share them in the comments below. We love a good garden gossip. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips and tricks. Because who doesn't want more garden goodness? Until next time, keep your hands dirty and your heart happy. And remember, mulch happens.